Guys, we are in Xingping now. We went on the scooter there to make a photo of the viewing point, 20 yuan banknote.
Yes.
So we're looking for this spot.
And it must be here somewhere.
And it must be here somewhere. We first have to find it.
We found the spot. Now we have to try and find a place where we can take a nice photo of it. But we found it. Really cool, man.
Lots of boats.
Yeah, lots of boats. But we found the spot. This is it, of the 20 yen. Menno's trying to get nice shots for us. Now there's a lot of boats, and that's a bit of a shame because you just don't want the boats in your view. You just want it no boats, just the mountains at the background. But
Time to check.
yes, Menno's got to check if it's right. And is it right?
Yeah. Sort of. Not it, right? If I'm standing there, maybe
Okay. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to get on that side. Otherwise you have to walk through the water. Menno's going to go through the water to take a shot of a beautiful 20 yuan view of the mountains.
I think that's a better place.
Yes, I think so too.
I don't want to get that fish.
No. But I don't know how deep it is.
I didn't expect to do this actually.
No.
Oh, it's not deep.
You're getting a bit of wet pants, I see. But it's nice weather, it will dry fast.
Yeah. Something for the photo.
Eh? Yeah, it's really beautiful weather today. It's really warm. I think it's about 27 degrees today. Absolutely gorgeous. We came here on a scooter. We're in xingping now. And this is absolutely gorgeous. It was a lovely scooter ride too. We really enjoyed it. You made it on the other side! Xingping is a beautiful little town, has a lot of potential. It's not so far from Jiangsu. About how many kilometers?
25 kilometers.
25 kilometers.
Maybe later in a few years it will be just as crowded as in Jiangsu.
Yes, I think so too. It's really cute. Everybody that lives in these houses.
Wanna eat something?
Yes, I want to eat something.
What do you like?
Mice, I see mice there over there, but I do want the bright yellow one, I don't want the other color.
And you asked for the price or so.
他叫韩国团餐，我告诉你们。
多少钱？
You should speak Chinese by now.
5. It's 5.
5. 60 cents in euro. What's the next stop?
I don't know, but we're going to see because we want to try maybe go see something new, but we're not sure where we have to go. So we'll see where we end up.
Well, we do a nice scooter ride.
Yeah, nice tour around. It's really beautiful.
Alright, climb up after you finish your sweet corn. Let's go.